This is the NyAlesund Museum. Always open, free admission. We're way up here, way up north here. We saw a polar bear earlier too. Let's go in the museum here. You don't have to take your shoes off in here. So it'll actually be pretty good here. So yeah, all right. Oh, looks like an old medical area here in the museum. Oh, looks like they had a pretty good system here. So you got a straight jacket in case anybody goes berserk, which I guess could happen. Happy people at the dentist here. Wow, they really had good stuff up here. I guess this was originally coal mining, because that's what that train was for. You need to put a body in there. Yeah, you got plenty of room. And come in here, it's like a cozy little building here. Everything, the polar prints. Alright, that's what I need to be, the polar prints. They measure, here's what they do here, they measure land uplift and everything with those. I took a picture of those satellites a little bit down the road there, and yeah, sea level changes. So doing a lot of research up here. Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got over here. We got, I don't know, some kind of outfit here. Worker's outfit here maybe. I don't know what this netty thing is for, but I guess contamination or bugs or something there, who knows. People made little necklaces and or things they put on birds maybe when they caught them. Not sure, there's no labels on it. Oh yeah, biology, putting on those rings for the birds. And all these experimental tubes and stuff. And somebody working with different things here. Checking the water, sending balloons up. Checking seals over there. Climate. Please stay on the roads. And this is the map here. The area. And we are right there at NyAlesund. We started out down here at Longerberg, and we went up here today, and then this afternoon we're going to go right across the street there into this other little place, the little Zodiac landing. We like those, of course. Get a chance to wear the old boots. There's the train there, yeah. Central store. Okay. More guys out here doing, oh, here's the coal mine. Let's go in the mine here. Alright. Let's go in the mine. See what we got. Alright, we're down here. We're looking for coal back here. So, doing the coal miners here. Ooh. Put my hard hat on back here. Come out of the mine here. Back in the breathing fresh air. Some of the coal down here. Here you go. This is mighty light coal. I don't know. Usually coal at home I picked up is usually a little bit heavier. So that may be because back home it may be anthracite coal. This looks like bituminous. I'm not sure here if it says if it's bituminous or not. I don't know. Cabin records. The Green Harbor Coal Company. Yeah, so I don't know what that coal is, but like I said, it's very light coal. Not very heavy there. Let's see if it has any smell to it left. No, I don't smell any oil or anything in it, because it's probably been sitting out in the open for a long time. We're going backwards in time. It's 2016. 1990, 1987. So, going back in time here. Wish I could do that with my own self, go back in time, but can't do that. Ooh, look at 1965, look at those old computers. All that's in our phones now, or even more. And 1963, overwintering, guys with the dogs, everybody growing a beard, a sky camera here, but I don't know. Oh, they take pictures of the sky. Well, that's a sky camera, all right. And that's a little movie going on in there. So, I'm gonna watch that. All the coal miners, the little rascals there. Some of the things. Oh, there's a cake that's been around for a while, I think, there. I don't doubt if it's still edible or something. Somebody sent some kind of a note. You can read some other languages. You might be able to read it. Kings Bay Coal Company made their own money, I guess. Oh, here you go. You got your toothbrush, pretty good sized toothbrush. Playing songs and everything. Oh, pretty nice little accordion. Lady sitting there, guys playing soccer or something. Working in the coal mine here. And here we go. I'll ring the bell here. I don't want to touch it because I might break it. Here's one of the old drills here, of course. Look at that thing from way up top there to drill the hole, put the charges in there. Things make a lot of noise, a lot of dust that they had to breathe in. Nobody's wearing any real protective gear there. So you got your phones, you need to call for help or something here. So it's like, hello, I need help down here in the mine. Had a cave in here, I don't know, help me. Okay. No answer, so I guess I'm stuck down here, so who knows. Alright. Little kids up there. They're pretty young in the mine. Rusted axe here. I don't know what this is. Some kind of filter. It looks like that the miners would wear. Looks like just a piece of foam. So I don't think there's going to be much filtering. Probably a carbide lamp here, maybe. I don't know. But some old miner stuff there. Little shovel. Oh, you got the bar there. Wow. There you go. There's some refresher there. Oh, nice little setup there for the people, like a little restaurant. And even got the waitress wearing a nice little uniform and curtains on the windows. Looks like it could have been pretty nice here. So, and this goes back even further in time. 56, back in 45. It's been around here a long time with the coal mining. Second World War, 1940s, guys all donned their uniforms and everything. So I guess they're protecting this area too. 1939, back in 1930s. Well, still a little bustling community here back in the 30s here. And 1929, I guess, where the mine first started. Because, yeah, they do have coal up in this area here. Alright, here's more of the drill bits here. See right on the end there. These drill bits. Right there. Look at the size of these guys down here. You need a new bit or something. There's a little scoop shovel down there. Another possible carbide lamp. I'm not sure what that is. And a little sledgehammer. And there's some really pictures of the coal miners there. Okay. And here's the other guys in the mine. And now it's a research station here. So, coming back out to the entrance here. And Looks like there's an upstairs here also. Let's go up here and see. We're going up steps here. Oh yeah, there's more up here too. Gotta be careful on the steps. Alright. Made it to the top here successfully. Oh, there's the airship. Pretty good size. Well, I don't think that was here because they got the big hangar. That looks like Lakehurst or something there. But oh, that's from Italy there. So it's probably in Italy where it took off. Yeah, they had landing there. Oh, here's the airship coming down like, yeah. And this is gas cylinders. Oh, that 48 hydrogen. This is hydrogen for the airship that they had to bring in. Didn't use helium, they used explosive hydrogen. I think it was cheaper. So yeah, lots of them there. But there's one there. These things are massive. They probably weigh a ton each, you know. So yeah, look at that. Wow. And here's the hangar for the airships. Did they build the hangar here? I don't know. It says the hangar, the airships for the Northern Italia. I would think they would be in Italy, that they would have those. And what's this contraption here? I don't know. Oh no, maybe this was built here because it looks like it was up here in the hills here. Yeah, so maybe so. This is 1928, so maybe they did build this hangar here. Yeah, and they got this little gizmo here to probably tie it down into the ground. And there's the airship there. Yeah, I'd do more research and put that in the description there, just if they had really built that hangar here. I think they probably did. Airship Norge, 1926. Oh, we got a little piece of wood here. What does it say here? I don't know. A piece of the frame from the gondola and parts of the canvas of the airship Norge. There's a piece of wood. Oh, there's pieces of the canvas there. So, little somethings there. You got the old Fokker plane. This was a busy place back then. Yeah, I'll have to research this at home, find out more information on it. Okay, heading back down the steps now. I'd probably need both hands here to be safe.